Join me as I take on the challenge to explore Japan like a pro in just 14 days. In this video, you will learn how to explore Japan like a pro in just 14 days, covering must-see destinations and essential tips. Planning a trip to Japan can be daunting, to say the least. With so many incredible destinations to choose from, it's hard to know where to even begin. You've got the vibrant cities, the stunning countryside, the rich culture, and the delicious food. It's a lot to take in. And let's be honest, the language barrier can be intimidating, especially if you don't speak Japanese. But don't worry, with a little planning and research, you can have an unforgettable trip to Japan. The key is to prioritize and make the most of your time. So where do you even start to plan your perfect itinerary? A good place to begin is by deciding what kind of experience you're looking for. Are you interested in history and culture, or do you prefer modern amenities and attractions? Are you looking for a more relaxed vibe, or do you want to pack as much as possible into your 2-week trip? Answering these questions will help you narrow down your options and create a more focused itinerary. Another tip is to consider the time of year you're traveling. If you're planning to visit during peak season, you'll want to book your accommodations and transportation well in advance. And don't forget to research any festivals or holidays that might be happening during your trip. They can be a great way to experience the local culture, but they can also attract large crowds. Finally, be flexible and open-minded. Things won't always go as planned, and that's okay. Japan is a country that is full of surprises, and some of the best experiences you'll have will be the ones you didn't plan for. We will break down your 14-day journey, highlighting key cities, cultural experiences, and local cuisine that you can't miss. From the neon lights of Tokyo to the ancient temples of Kyoto, we'll take you on a journey through the best of Japan. You'll learn how to navigate the country's efficient public transportation system, where to find the best food and drinks, and how to make the most of your time in this incredible country. First up, let's talk about Tokyo. This vibrant city is a must-visit destination for any traveler to Japan. From the cutting-edge technology of Akihabara to the historic Asakusa district, there's always something to do or see in Tokyo. And then there's the food. From sushi to ramen, Tokyo is a food lover's paradise. Next, we'll head to Kyoto, a city steeped in tradition and history. You'll have the opportunity to visit ancient temples and shrines, geisha districts, and traditional Japanese gardens. And don't miss the famous Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates. We'll also explore the Japanese Alps, where you can hike and bike through stunning mountain landscapes. And of course, no trip to Japan would be complete without trying some of the local cuisine. From savory miso soup to sweet mochi desserts, your taste buds will thank you. The highlight of your trip will be experiencing the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity in places like Kyoto and Tokyo. You'll see ancient temples and shrines standing alongside modern skyscrapers, and experience the unique blend of traditional and contemporary Japanese culture. In Kyoto's Gion district, you can spot geishas walking through the streets, while just a few blocks away you'll find modern boutiques and trendy cafes. It's this blend of old and new that makes Japan such a fascinating country to visit. From the serene gardens of the Meiji Shrine to the neon-lit streets of Shinjuku, Japan is a country that is full of contrasts. And it's this contrast that makes it so intriguing. Where else can you find cutting-edge tech alongside ancient traditions, or bustling cities alongside serene countryside? In Tokyo's Asakusa district, you can find ancient temples standing alongside modern skyscrapers, while in the countryside, you can experience rural Japan, where traditional ways of life still thrive. To wrap up, we've covered how to navigate Japan's rich culture and stunning landscapes in just 2 weeks. With a little planning and research, you can have an unforgettable trip to Japan and experience the best of this incredible country. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other travel videos and let us know your favorite Japan destination in the comments.